There's a message to Holtby, Braden Holtby. Where is he headed? He's the only man ever to lead that franchise to a Stanley Cup title ever in the world. Where's he going? I mean, unrestricted, where does he land?
Okay, big question.
Okay.
Because it's kind of an intricate answer. It's a look. They weren't. He was at 6 as well, give or take $6 million. He wasn't going to make that again with Washington, as they need to put some money in other places. So you have Samsonov on a lesser deal. Lundqvist, in theory, would be on a lesser deal. So you're not going to pay Holtby that amount of money. Now, could he end up in Vancouver if Markstrom doesn't get re-signed?
Right. Dominoes.
Could that exactly? So Holtby's a very interesting case to me as well, just because his save percentage hasn't been great the last couple. His game has changed. He's part of, even though it's funny, we think of him as old school, but yet he's, what is he, 30, 31 years old? He's not.
31,
he's 31. I mean, he's a cerebral netminder. He's a competitor, but he's not what you would call new era textbook style goaltender.
Right, exactly. And so now you're forcing the club to try to make a really tough decision. Is this our new number one? Are you willing to stamp it to him? I think that there is somebody out there that will say that, but I don't believe they'll back that up with a long-term deal.
Exactly. Okay, but is there a team out there that could have Holtby and another guy of his ilk, so that you have a competition, and then it will be determined at some point who is number one?
Ilk. Are you saying another guy of his salary range?
Well, no, it can't be that.
I would say there's more teams
talent level.
It seems to me on the surface, and looking at stuff out west, that could perhaps. He's a Western Canadian kid too, right? Saskatchewan kid. These names always get thrown out. Edmonton.
Right.
Calgary.
They need
Vancouver.
goaltending, let's be honest.
Because they need They need goaltending, and you know what? On a short term, let's call it a 2 or 3 year deal, he could fit in there and one of those 3 teams.